Hello everyone, welcome back to the 3D Mechanical Design course. In this video, we're working through CSWA Practice Level 4, Assignment 4.12. We'll focus on a combination of Extruded Boss, Extruded Cut, and Fillet features, so it's a great exercise to reinforce core modeling skills. We're working in mmgs units, millimeters, and one important detail before we start. The origin is located at the center of the part, so keep that in mind while sketching. We'll be using a few core features here: Extruded Boss, Extruded Cut, and Fillet. Quick tip before we start. The exercise suggests using a midplane cut with a circular profile. Once the part is complete, don't forget to verify your result by checking the volume. It should come out to 59,730 cubic millimeters. Alright, let's jump into SolidWorks. Start by selecting the front plane and create a new sketch. Draw two concentric circles with diameters of 50 millimeters and 85 millimeters. Then sketch an 80 by 80 millimeter square centered at the origin. Use the trim tool to clean up the geometry and remove the unnecessary segments. Once the sketch is ready, go to Features, Extruded Boss. Choose midplane and set the thickness to 25 millimeters. Confirm the feature. Next, select the front plane again and start a new sketch. Draw a circle with a 70 millimeters diameter. Now apply an extruded cut. In one direction, set the depth to 4.5 millimeters. In the opposite direction, use through all. This approach ensures the cut behaves exactly as required from the drawing. Confirm the cut. At this stage, the basic shape is complete. Now all we have to do is add the flanges to finish the model. While I'm adding these details, I'd like to ask you, if you found this tutorial helpful, to please like and leave a comment. It really helps the channel grow. You can also download the finished 3D model from the link in the description and compare it with your result. I upload new SolidWorks exercises every week, so make sure to subscribe if you want to keep improving your skills. Alright, the model is complete. Let's verify it. Go to Evaluate Mass Properties and check the volume. You should get 59,730 cubic millimeters. Our value matches the drawing, which means we have correctly modeled the part according to the drawing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.